This is our 76 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk-around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk-around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. There'll be some clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So this is a 3-owner car, came out of Illinois. It's been in Glen Ellen for the last 20-something years. Long-term owner. It is an original paint Survivor, Claret metallic. It's kind of a burgundy color. It does have a orange pinstripe you can see there as well. Really, really nice contrast over the light buckskin interior. Car only has 32,000 original miles, and that is accurate. Condition really speaks for itself. Car is really impressive. Real pleasure to drive. The R12 air conditioning works, the radio works. Just featherweight power steering. It's a real pleasure. You can see there the boot cover. It has the body colored hard cover as well as the interior matching soft cover for it. The light buckskin convertible top is powered and functional. The glass and light lenses are all clear and crack free. They're all functional as well. As I mentioned, you'll see close-ups of all the blemishes later in this video. You can tell there, the filler panels in the rear are not great. Those ones towards the center are more cracked up than the outside. The polished pieces, the bumpers and trim pieces are all in really, really nice shape with no oxidation. Wheels and tires are in great shape. Wheels show no real damage or curb rash, nothing like that. Yokohama tires, not a lot of miles on them, they're in really nice shape, but they are about 14 years old. Again, no dryness, feel totally good about them. We so often see these cars having bubbling around the quarters and the fenders, and this is just not the case with this car. Really, really dry, especially considering it's a Midwestern Cadillac. You'll see the underbody photos there in the listing, but it's quite good. The Claret metallic is just beautiful. And you can see there really just nothing for oxidation. The car's been responsibly owned since new, and it shows. We did use a paint gauge to confirm that it was original paint. Readings are about a 2.5 to 3.0 all over the place. But here are all the blemishes. You can see there's a big crack there on the forward filler panel. Little chip there around the light. Then if you look down along the rocker, it's just really nice and clean down there, which we rarely see with these cars. There's a ding there, like a little door ding, in the middle of the quarter, kind of center of the wheel. Then there is another ding right over here on the trunk lid. There's a spot of touch-up on there, but you know, it is still visible. And then again, the fillers, not great. There is a local body shop that we've used to do fillers before, so if that's something you'd like addressed prior to shipping out, just let me know. Now there's one spot right there, little tiny bit of bubbling. Really looks worse in this video than in person, but that is on the passenger bottom corner of the quarter. Very light little scratch there. Just, you know, typical wear right around the door handle. Presumably from a ring or watch, something like that, while opening and closing the door. Get down low, you can see a scratch there. And of course the filler. Front end is nice. Just a handful of small chips scattered about. Consistent with 32,000 miles of road use. The interior, really, really nice. Door panels have no kicked open markings. The power windows, seats, everything works. The radio is functional. The R12 air conditioning is functional. All the lights and gauges are functional. Power antenna works as well. Original carpet is in really nice shape. I mean, no real signs of age. It does have the oversized floor mat for both the front and rear. You can see the dash top is in great shape. No cracks or significant signs of age. Now here's a good look at the seats. Again, excellent condition. Only real signs of age is a tiny bit of looseness on the seat bottom, but that's of course very minor. No burst seams or gashes, nothing like that. And the rear seats are excellent.